Welcome to our underwater adventure, where we'll explore the amazing world of marine animals. Get ready to dive deep into the ocean and discover the fascinating characteristics of some incredible creatures. Are you excited? Let's dive right in. Our first marine marvel is the dolphin. Dolphins are highly intelligent mammals known for their playful behavior and friendly nature. They communicate with each other using a series of clicks and whistles and often swim in pods, which are groups of dolphins that work together to hunt for fish. Did you know that dolphins are excellent swimmers and can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour? They truly are the acrobats of the ocean. Next up, we have the sea turtle. Sea turtles are ancient creatures that have been swimming in the oceans for millions of years. They have streamlined bodies and powerful flippers that allow them to glide gracefully through the water. Sea turtles are famous for their incredible journeys across the ocean, traveling thousands of miles to lay their eggs on sandy beaches. Did you know that sea turtles can hold their breath for several hours underwater? They're like the marathon runners of the sea. Now, let's talk about the octopus. Octopuses are masters of disguise with their ability to change color and texture to blend in with their surroundings. They have 8 long arms covered in suction cups, which they use to catch prey and explore their underwater world. Did you know that octopuses are incredibly intelligent and can solve puzzles to get to their favorite treats? They're like the clever detectives of the ocean. Our next oceanic friend is the shark. Sharks may seem scary, but they're actually fascinating creatures essential for maintaining the balance of ocean ecosystems. They have sleek, streamlined bodies and powerful jaws filled with rows of sharp teeth. Sharks come in all shapes and sizes, from the enormous whale shark to the sleek and speedy great white. Despite their fearsome reputation, sharks play a vital role in keeping the ocean healthy and thriving. Let's take a look at the jellyfish. Jellyfish are mesmerizing creatures with their translucent bodies and graceful movements. They don't have brains, hearts, or bones, yet they've been swimming in the oceans for millions of years. Jellyfish use their stinging tentacles to catch prey and defend themselves from predators. Did you know that some jellyfish are bioluminescent, meaning they can produce their own light? They're like the glowing gems of the ocean. Next, we have the seahorse. Seahorses are unique creatures with their horse-like heads and curled tails. They move through the water by fluttering their dorsal fins, almost like they're flying. Seahorses are monogamous, meaning they mate for life and perform elaborate courtship dances with their partners. Did you know that male seahorses are the ones who carry and give birth to the babies? They're like the devoted dads of the ocean. Let's talk about the whale. Whales are the largest animals on Earth, with some species growing up to 100 feet long. They have massive bodies and powerful tails that propel them through the water with ease. Whales are known for their haunting songs, which they use to communicate with each other across vast distances. Did you know that some whales, like the humpback whale, are expert acrobats and can breach out of the water in spectacular leaps? They're like the majestic giants of the ocean. Now, let's meet the gentle manatee. Manatees, also known as sea cows, are large, slow-moving mammals that spend their days grazing on seagrass. They have thick, wrinkled skin and paddle-like flippers that they use to navigate the waterways. Manatees are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants, and they play a vital role in maintaining the health of coastal ecosystems. Did you know that manatees are related to elephants? They're like the gentle giants of the sea. Our next oceanic friend is the sea lion. Sea lions are highly social animals that live in colonies along rocky coastlines. They have sleek bodies and powerful flippers that make them excellent swimmers. Sea lions are known for their playful antics, like somersaulting through the waves and barking loudly to communicate with each other. Did you know that sea lions can dive to depths of over 600 feet in search of food? They're like the playful performers of the ocean. Let's take a look at the adorable penguin. Penguins are flightless birds perfectly adapted to life in the icy waters of the southern hemisphere. They have waterproof feathers and dense layers of fat that keep them warm in cold temperatures. Penguins are excellent swimmers and can dive to great depths in search of fish and squid. Did you know that emperor penguins form tight-knit colonies to keep warm during the harsh Antarctic winters? They're like the tuxedo-clad explorers of the sea. Now, let's meet the lobster. Lobsters are crustaceans with hard exoskeletons and long, muscular tails. They live on the ocean floor and are expert scavengers, feeding on anything from dead fish to algae. Lobsters have powerful claws that they use for defense and catching prey. Did you know that lobsters can regenerate lost limbs? They're like the regenerating superheroes of the ocean. Next up, we We have the crab. Crabs are crustaceans with hard shells and 10 legs, including 2 large claws. They scuttle along the ocean floor, using their claws to crush and tear apart their food. Crabs come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny hermit crab to the massive king crab. Did you know that some crabs can walk sideways? They're like the sideways shuffling dancers of the ocean. Let's take a look at the mysterious squid. Squid are cephalopods with long, cylindrical bodies and tentacles equipped with suction cups. They're incredibly fast swimmers and use jet propulsion to escape from predators. Squid are also masters of camouflage, changing color and texture to blend in with their surroundings. Did you know that squid have 3 hearts and blue blood? They're like the extraterrestrial explorers of the ocean. Now, let's talk about the starfish. Starfish, also known as sea stars, are fascinating creatures with 5 arms radiating from a central disc. They come in a variety of colors and patterns and can regenerate lost limbs. Starfish use tiny tube feet to move along the ocean floor and pry open shellfish for food. Did you know that some starfish can push their stomachs out of their bodies to digest prey? They're like the shape-shifting wizards of the ocean. Let's take a look at the majestic swordfish. Swordfish are large, powerful predators with long, sword-like bills that they use to slash and stun their prey. They have streamlined bodies and can swim at incredibly fast speeds, making them formidable hunters. Swordfish are found in deep, open ocean waters and are highly migratory. Did you know that swordfish have been known to leap out of the water in spectacular displays? They're like the knights of the ocean. Last but not least, let's meet the magnificent manta ray. Manta rays are large, graceful creatures with triangular-shaped bodies and wing-like fins. They glide effortlessly through the water, filtering plankton and small fish through their gills for food. Manta rays are known for their curious behavior and often approach divers with gentle curiosity. Did you know that manta rays are closely related to sharks? They're like the gentle giants of the ocean depths. Well, that concludes our incredible journey through the underwater world of marine animals. From playful dolphins to majestic whales, the ocean is full of awe-inspiring creatures waiting to be discovered. Remember to treat our marine friends with kindness and respect, and always do your part to protect their ocean home. Until next time, keep exploring and learning about the amazing creatures that inhabit our seas.